Stain-resistant. Specially treated fabric resists discoloration and is stain-resistant. Ideal for entertaining and kid-friendly, any spilled liquid beads up for easy cleaning. Wrinkle-resistant. Looks just like luxurious cotton but made of soft, 100% polyester fabric that resists wrinkling for an always crisp, polished look. Color-fast dyes. Our color-fast dyes stay vibrant and true, and will not fade, bleed, run, or transfer during washing or use. Durable. Our premium weight fabric is designed to withstand repeated use and frequent laundering. These tablecloths are machine washable with no need for expensive rental or dry cleaning fees. Perfect for any occasion. Lann's linens tablecloths are elegant enough to complement any wedding or banquet decor, yet stain-resistant and sturdy enough to endure the repeat usage of a gourmet restaurant or hotel. Top reviews from the United States. Great value for the price. These looked so much nicer than disposables at our event. They were well worth the money. I made the mistake of washing them first though to get the wrinkles out, but that was a bad plan. The hem crinkled and I had to iron all of the tablecloths at the last minute. Just put them on the tables with the packaging folds in them, or iron them without washing them first. You'll save yourself some time.